Hi y'all, Karma here. Welcome back to my channel if you're a subscriber, and if you're new, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Hopefully you'll want to subscribe to our holistic healing community. We're having so much fun learning and growing together with opening different boxes and doing crystal grids and sound baths and herbal recipes and learning all about natural healing. So hope you'll want to join us. Today, though, we are going to be opening the Mindful Souls box. And Mindful Souls is a great little box. It's one of the least expensive boxes that I get. It is a $20 a month box with free shipping. So at only $20, I really think they do a good job. There's not a whole lot of wiggle room there to do a whole lot with. It includes 6 to 8 hand-picked items. And the last box that I opened for the channel was actually in December. And so this is a review of the December box, which was the last video that I did for this box. And in the December box, remember, if you're new and you don't want to listen to the recap of last month's box, or after I show each item, I read the description on the card. And if you don't want to sit and listen to that, there are timestamps in the videos where you can just go to the very next item. You can either do it through the video description and hit the timestamp, or if you're on your phone or iPad, you can just move over the scroll line and it will show you the text on what chapter. So last month we got the affirmation card, which I love their affirmation cards, a sticker that you get each month. We got the Galoka frankincense, which was a resin incense, and I love frankincense, so I burn it all the time. We got the Kamini Egyptian musk soap, and I did pass that on as a gift to someone because, you know, I'm not much of a bar soap person. Bar soaps and I don't really get along very well. My skin's too dry. Then we had the Sodalite tumbled small stone, and Sodalite's always nice to have. Again, didn't make me jump for joy, but with a $20 box, trying to put that many items, you're probably going to get a couple of little gems like that that aren't going to be too expensive to fill out the box. We got the quartz crystal bracelet, and that was a really pretty little stretchy bracelet. The aquamarine bracelet, which I really liked. It was really pretty. The silver moonstone ring, that was fun, but you know, the moonstone rings are kind of a little more gimmicky. And then we got the Turritella agate as well. So it was a nice box last month. These boxes don't always make me jump for joy, but they're really nice boxes for me to be able to utilize as gifts, and at $20 a month to fill up my gift drawer. It's also nice for me to have with clients. If I'm working with someone on something particular, I can go into that drawer, find a piece of jewelry or a stone that will help them with whatever we're working on and be able to gift it to them. So that's one of the things I really love about this box. So let's get into this month's box. As you open the box, you've always got the card on the top. And then we'll go over that in a second. And then everything else is down below. So again, for $20, I think they do a really good job. And a lot of you guys like watching their videos. So this is the information card, but whoop, not too fast, not too much, no. We'll read it as we look at the items. So first we have their affirmation card. It says affirmation for abundance. That's really cool. I think I'm doing an abundance giveaway here. So maybe I'll put this card in there as well. I haven't packed up the box yet. It says, I am open to receive all opportunities the universe sends me. That's really pretty. That will end up in the giveaway box that you'll hear about later this month. I just, you guys know I have the little clip-ons that I put little plastic stands on them, and I just stand them all over my house like that. And I keep them and just kind of rotate them in and out. Then here's our little sticker. Says, train your mind, grow positive thoughts. Cute little sticker. Little girl meditating. And then it says, Collagen Refreshes Facial Mask. Specifically increases elasticity while effectively minimizing and reducing lines and wrinkles. Can always use more of that. But these masks do tend to pile up, so a lot of them will end up going out into gift bags just because I only do one maybe twice a month. And so if I end up with, 3 or 4 every month, they start to pile up. But again, it makes me happy. It makes me know that I need to be gifting these on to someone to, make them happy. So what does it say about the collagen mask? Restore your skin's youthful glow with this refreshing face mask. The powerful collagen boosting mask provides the perfect opportunity to put your legs up, unwind, and enjoy a peaceful minute to yourself. Experience the total bliss and nourishment you truly deserve, as the face mask will work to reduce wrinkles and restore the brightness of your skin. Then we have, let's see if I can tell. Kind of smells pine and then sage. That's weird. I was trying to see if I could tell what was in it. But it smells like a couple of different things. This has got to be mixed because it looks like, is that rosemary? It's a really nice combination though, because there's not, it's not overpowering of the sage. Mixed herbs smudge stick. So what's in it? Most wonderful and efficient smudging combination. I did hear on a video the other day that some of the indigenous people get upset when we use the term smudging, because that's more of their religious term that they use. And so a lot of the natural healers out there are starting to use smoke, cleanse, or that kind of thing to honor that. I've worked with the local Native Americans, and they've taught me so much over the last 30 years, and they have never expressed that to me. So I am unaware of, where that's coming from as far as in my local area. So I'll try and remember to call it a smoke cleanse, since it doesn't really matter to me. But if I mix up and someone does hear that and they are offended, please let me know in the comments your take on it and how you feel. But I have been trained with local Native Americans with several different tribes, and I'm just so grateful for everything they've taught me. And so they've never told me that they don't appreciate us using that term. So anyway, this does say mixed herb smudge stick, so they are using the term smudge. Lavender has many magical uses, including cleansing, purification, and tranquility. So it has lavender. Blue sage is good for healing and cleansing rituals. Its soothing, relaxing smell can be used to aid in meditation. That's why the sage wasn't like a white sage is so much more pungent to me. The blue sage is actually more appealing to me. Herba Santa is a diverse herb used for medical and spiritual practices by Native American tribes for centuries. Herba Santa is also good for protection and setting boundaries. To burn a smudge stick, just light the tip, blow it out, and wave it in the air. I've never had this kind of a mixed. I mean, I've had it with... that's really nice. I guess I've never really thought of doing as mixed as this is. I've had it like with something on it and then maybe had sap or other oils or different things dripped on it, but I've never thought of doing a bundle with different items to use as a smoke cleanse. But that's gorgeous. That gets a thumb up for me, something new for me to try. That smells really good too, y'all. Okay, then we have Golden Hit Masala Agarbathi, Richness of Nature, Golden Vijashari. I don't know what's in it though. I'm curious now. Normally I wouldn't open it because I don't burn that much stick incense, honestly. Vijayshri fragrance. I've never heard of that. It is from India. See if you can read it. There you go. I'm not familiar with that. The smell's just kind of so-so to me. But again, I don't like a lot of stick incense smell. I mostly will do oils and fresh herbs and stuff like that on charcoal. So that will get passed on. That's why I didn't open the inner package, even though I opened the seal. Let's see what it has to say. Golden Hit Incense. There are special incenses suitable for meditation which refer to any of a family of practices in which the practitioner trains his or her mind or self-induces a mode of consciousness in order to realize some benefit. This is a masala incense. So it is formed from herbs, flowers, woods, and fragrances such as essential oils and fragrance oils, and then it is wrapped around a bamboo stick. The mesmerizing aroma lasts and lingers for days after it is burnt. So, a nice box, like I said. Stick incense, not so much my thing, but again, with a $20 box, you've got to find items like this that you can curate at a fairly inexpensive price. And for someone who this is all they could afford, what a beautiful box to have some items to work with that month. Then we have 2 little bags left. Here's our first one. I love their little bags. I keep them and reuse them. Oh, pretty. Oops. So the tassel's kind of like all, and those are not super easy to get to lay down. You can kind of steam them. But that's really pretty. Show you the, oh, it's got a Buddha head on it. Oh, I like it. Look at that Buddha head. It's got the little Buddha head on it, on the tassel. And that's what the necklace looks like. I don't even know what it is. It is really cute though. I like the iridescence of it. The way it, you know, it's really glittery. Can you tell? Can't see if you can see. Yeah, it's kind of glittering for you, but it's really, really glittery. Picks up lots of iridescent kind of. The Love Mala. A mala is a set of 108 beads traditionally used in varied spiritual practices for prayer and meditation. Mala is often used together with repeating a mantra. A mantra is a tool of the mind, a powerful sound or vibration that you can use to help enter a state of meditation. Choose your mantra to coincide with the vibration or intention you are looking to manifest. There are no rules, there's no right and wrong. There is only the now and the present. And that's true, but I will tell you, since I've studied Buddhism for a long time, that when you're counting and doing them, you use your left hand again because you're receiving the blessings and you're pulling the beads towards you as you're counting. So, and then you go all the way around counting this way, all the way until you hit what we call the head bead right here. And you don't ever cross over the head bead. So then you turn the bead around and go back the other way and all the way across. And so one strand of the mala is actually going all the way around and then all the way back around. Very nice. I like that. And last but not least, oh, there's 2 more bags. 2 more bags. Here's our next little bag. Oh, that's pretty. Maybe rhodonite? A raw rhodonite, maybe? I'm guessing. You can't really see the pink that well on the film, but it's got a really little pink tint to it. And then it's got those little striations in it that kind of make me think of rhodonite. I don't think I've ever seen raw rhodonite, but I think if that was polished up, that's exactly what it reminded me of. So am I right? Am I right? Rhodonite. Yep. Rhodonite stone. Rhodonite is a stone of compassion, an emotional balancer that clears away emotional wounds and scars from the past and nurtures love. It has strong heart-based energy and stimulates, clears, and activates the heart chakra. Having a piece on your body may help to stop you from taking action when you are feeling angry, fearful, or panicky. I love getting to know each stone. And, you know, sometimes different stones, even though they're the same, they're both rhodonite, they'll have just slightly different energies, and one will really speak to you or not. That's kind of like if you had a big bag of stones and you're looking at them and they're all pretty, and then certain ones just like, oh, I really like this one because it resonates more with you. And last but not least, get all the squigglies off it. Last little bag. See, for $20, there's a lot in this bag, right? Oh, pretty. Ooh, is that garnet? Really pretty. Trying to see, it almost looks like it's not dark enough to be like a mahogany, jasper, or anything. It's kind of got that see-through, almost like a ruby or a garnet, maybe. Looks like a semi-precious stone, though, the way it's polished up. Garnet! Hey, I've been on today, right? Not always on. Garnet Bracelet. Garnet stone was named garnet because of its resemblance to the pomegranate seeds. The Latin word for pomegranate is granatum. The root of red garnet stone meaning is all about regeneration and energizing. Garnet's meaning also include balancing, protecting, and strengthening. It balances energy, bringing sincerity or passion as appropriate, and can inspire love. That's gorgeous. Like, I can see through it. It's really pretty. I will definitely wear that one. And again, their bracelets usually are done well in that they're not too tight. And yeah, look, that looks great on there, doesn't it? Very nice. So in this box this month, we received the Rhodonite Raw Stone, the Love Mala, the Golden Hit Incense, the Garnet Bracelet, the Mixed Herbs Smudge Stick, and the Collagen Mask, along with the sticker and the affirmation card. So, thumbs up on this box. Mindful Souls does a great job within the budget that they work with. I'm really happy with their box, and there's several items that I will use here and several items that I'm excited to put in my gift box and be ready for that special person who needs it for whatever reason. Hope you had a great time with me today. I always enjoy hanging out with you. Remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. Come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.